We will always keep you updated throughout the life of a trade. This means there could be certain changes to make on a day-to-day basis. For example, if we say please take 25% of your profits and move your stops to break even, what we would like you to do is close off some of your position and move your stops to the same level that you entered the market at. This ensures that if the market was to retrace or turn around, you would not suffer a loss and would have taken partial profits on that trade. This is known as trade management. To do this, simply hold down on the trade on your trade screen and you will have the option to close or modify. Firstly, let's go to close. What we do here is close a proportion of our position. When we say 25%, you'll need to divide your lot size that you used on this trade by 4. In this example, we have 0.2. What we would do is close 0.05, as this is 25% of 0.2. Enter this at the top of your screen. We can then press close with profit. Now, that's partial profits taken. What we now need to do is move our stops to break even. As you can see on the trade screen, the figure on the left-hand side of the arrow directly beneath the market is the price that you entered. In this example, 1560.75. Remember this price. Now, hold down the trade and click Modify. Here, we need to delete the existing stop loss figure and replace it with the same figure that you entered the market at, 1560.75. Once done, click Modify, and this is now complete. You are now risk-free on this trade. If it continues to move in our direction, we will profit further. But if it turns around, we will not lose. There may be scenarios where we ask you to change the take profit figure too. This is also done in exactly the same way. Find your trade, click Modify, delete the existing take profit figure, and replace it with the new one. Remember, we will always keep you updated through the Trading Fields Signals channel.